Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed to end the day. The S&P 500 lost about 1.4%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 1.3%, putting it now in negative territory for 2023. The Nasdaq 100 saw the steepest losses of the four indices, down over 1.8%, and the Russell 2000 shed 1.7%. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day. 10 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors closed lower, led by losses in consumer discretionary, real estate, and technology. The only bright spot was utilities, gaining over 1% in the session. Let's now look at some more stocks on the move. Nvidia fell almost 3% despite a bullish call from Keybanc. The analyst raised its price target to one of the highest among the street at $750 a share with an overweight rating. Long-term, the firm sees more capacity coming online in the second half of 2024 and outsized growth as Nvidia ramps up its next-gen GPU. Airbnb fell 6.5% after a Keybanc analyst downgraded shares to sector weight. The analyst highlighted that margins have reached a near-term peak and revenue growth could decelerate as room night and ADR growth moderates. With today's move to the downside, shares have pulled back about 18% from 52-week highs. And McCormick stock suffered one of its worst days in nearly 3 years, taking out a new 52-week low into Tuesday's session. The parent company of Frank's Red Hot, French's, and McCormick Spices reported third-quarter sales that fell short, due in part to a slower-than-expected recovery in China and the exit of some businesses. Shares are now down over 17% year-to-date. Let's now look at what to watch for tomorrow. September PMI and non-farm employment data will be released, while Tilray and RPM International report earnings before the opening bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.